Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2020 Can-Am Defender XT HD10 with the full hard cab. It's got the BFG Goodrich 8-ply tires. I'd say there's probably 20-30% tread. Has a glass tip-out windshield, side mirrors, electric power window doors, tilt assist dump box, full hard cab, has fender flares all the way around, heater, wiper. This machine's got 1,451 hours, 14,704 miles. Gonna take another video of this getting started up and drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call at 406-232-3300.